Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Oscar Health Insurance Review My US Health Plan Experience. Oscar Health Insurance Review My US Health Plan Experience offers insights and information based on real user experiences with Oscar Health Insurance plans. It's aimed at individuals and families in the US looking for health insurance, helping them make informed decisions based on reviews and experiences shared by others. Key features presumably include plan comparisons, cost breakdowns, and user ratings. Their website likely provides details on various Oscar Health plans, covering aspects like coverage options, network providers, and customer testimonials. It aims to offer transparency in pricing and plan details, possibly highlighting benefits like no hidden fees or focusing on the ease of managing healthcare through their platform and digital tools. They likely compare their services to competitors and highlight their unique approach to health insurance management. You'll want to check their website for availability in your area. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Oscar Health Insurance Review My US Health Plan Experience. I was researching health insurance options and stumbled upon this resource online. Getting started was easy. I simply navigated to their site and began browsing the available reviews. The website was well organized, categorizing reviews by plan type and location. I easily found reviews specific to my state and compared experiences with different Oscar plans. I could also filter by keywords like customer service or prescription coverage, which was really helpful. The interface was pretty intuitive, I didn't experience any lag and the search function worked well. Reading through the reviews provided valuable insights into things like claim processing times, doctor availability within the network, and the user-friendliness of the Oscar app. I had a quick question about finding a specific doctor within the network, and their contact form was easy to find and fill out. I received a helpful response via email within a day. I was really impressed by how easy it was to compare various user perspectives side by side. The standout feature for me was definitely the ability to filter reviews by specific criteria relevant to my needs. One minor drawback was the lack of a dedicated section for comparing Oscar plans to other insurance providers, which would have been a useful addition. It took me a little while to get used to the date sorting on the reviews, as it wasn't immediately apparent how to sort them chronologically. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience using Oscar Health Insurance Review My US Health Plan Experience. It provided valuable information that aided my health insurance decision-making process. That's my overview of Oscar Health Insurance Review My US Health Plan Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.